In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fully auto blog using Lovable. You don't need to do a keyword research. You don't need to have any hosting. You can create a fully automated blog without hosting. It will do a free keyword research for you, find the trending topics, and write the blog posts, including images, internal links, and fully SEO optimized posts automatically by giving just one prompt. So this Autoblog website tutorial is free of cost and full pack of information. You need to watch this video till end. So let me get started. At the very first tab, you need to go here, lovable.dev, and give this prompt. And here, my topic is news and current affairs for now. So you can get right here your own topic in this prompt. So here, I have given the news and current affairs as my topic, and this website will be fully AdSense approval, and it will write blog posts automatically right after 12 hours. You can see here in the prompt I have written, and I have also written the prompt for the blog writing. So I will just copy this prompt from my ChatGPT. This prompt is also provided into the description. You can just copy the both of the prompts. So here I write here SEO prompt, for example, here, and here right after SEO prompt I will paste this prompt. So this prompt will write a blog post, and here you can see insert topic. Here you can see this is the topic. So here insert in the insert topic, you can say get daily, and here I have read get the latest trending topic from Google and etc. So it will get the trending topic from the Google automatically and post on the blog automatically. So you will see here. So this is the prompt. I am going to give this prompt, and it will generate an amazing blog for us as well as write the posters. So I just click here, and let's see the results after a few seconds. And here you can see it's asking some questions. I say tech and AI news, and here I say lovable AI pickups use prosperity. So I just lovable usage. So here I say posting schedule, confirm 2 posters a day. So yes, 2 a day, 1 post per day, or 3 posts per week. So I say 1 post per day, for example, here. And here you can see AdSense ready, AdSense. Do you want to add? So I just say yes. Also JSON, also RSS feed, newsletter sign up, so on. So newsletter sign up I don't need. And here I say yes. And here you can see you can review and just click on submit, and it will create a fully automated website for you. So here it's asking some questions. Approve enabling Lovable could trigger it, and keep AI credits funded, for example 0.01 credit or dollars for per post depending upon post length, and 0.05 per post or depending upon post length. So this is asking for you that do you want to make it automated, or you want to write manually by day. So here you can also say yes if you have credits in your cloud, and here if you can say yes, I will write daily by myself. So this will be okay. So I say I will give daily prompt to generate the articles, because I don't want to waste my credits from my cloud AI. So if you can give these a tiny amount to this blog daily, it will write amazing blogs automatically. So here I just say I will give daily prompt to generate articles. So I have given this prompt, and it will right after that it will generate an amazing blog for us. So here it's asking for brand name. So I just give you brand name AI generated per. So here I just say AI generated images, it will be $0.01 post. And if you want to use stock images, so I will use stock images here, and click on submit. Allow all, I say allow all here. You can see it has been created an amazing blog for us. If you can see here, it has been written some posters. If you click on this post, you can see this is amazingly added. The title, the tagline, and the image, as well as the detailed here, everything is written. You can see takeaways, questions and answers, and amazingly done this. So if you go here and want to write a daily post, and here you can say here, for example, I have created this blog, and this is my next day. On the next day, I just write here. On the next day, you can write here, search a new trending topic from Google and any search engine. or your own AI platform and add internal links and write a blog for us. So just need to write this prompt and a new blog post will be ready. So I just click here and it will write an amazing another blog post for us. You can see it's exploring the trending topics. I mean, it will automatically explore and search the trending topics for us and write the blog for us. Now, and another post has been added. If you can see, this is a new post. Gemini 3 Flash is here. So if you open this post, you can see this is the featured image. Go here, and these are the internal links. As I mentioned, that we need to have the internal links here. So here you can see this is the link. Okay, so this is amazingly done. You can see this is the table and so on, and everything is amazingly done. And also inside this, they have amazingly used the images. Okay, so this is how you can create an amazing AI based automatic blog for you. So now we are going to publish this. So you just need to click on publish to publish this blog. So here is, you can see this is the input. So I say pk news, for example, .lovable.com, and just click on here and click on continue. If you want to add custom domain, you can also add the custom domain, keep in mind. So I just click on continue here, and here it will be public. You can just click on continue and just click on continue and click on publish. So after publishing, this will be amazingly done. The website has been published. Now your website has been published. Now the question is how you can index this. For indexing process, I have created a complete video. You can watch this video by clicking the link provided into the description. This video is also already published on my channel, that how you can index your website into Google and other search engines. As well as if you want to apply for AdSense, keep in mind instantly after creating the website you cannot apply for the AdSense. You just need to wait for a few months. After adding few posts, at least 30 posts you should have on your blog for applying the AdSense. So how you can apply for AdSense, this is very easy. You can just go here adsense.google.com, and here you can just click on simply add a new site. So if you click on add new site, you simply need to provide the URL of your website. For example, this is our URL of our website. You just need to copy this URL, go here and paste here. So here you will be add the URL of the website and click on save. It will go into the review process. You can see this is with the review requirements. So AdSense snippet, you just need to copy this snippet. So this is the AdSense snippet. So you just need to copy this snippet and add this into your website. You just need to verify. For example, I just copy this snippet here, go back and paste here, and write this prompt and click on enter. So it will place into your website. So this snippet has been added into the header. You just need to click on publish and click on update, because before updating it will not update the website. So this has been it's updating it within few seconds. Now this has been updated. I go back into the AdSense and click on verify. I check on this checkbox and click on verify. Now your site has been verified. Just click on next and review request. It will review your website. It can take 1 business day to 10 business days. Keep in mind, you just need to wait for the review. So I just click on request a review, and it will review our website for AdSense approval, and then it will approve for us. So don't worry, it will get your website approval within few days or within a few seconds, or sorry, a few hours. So keep in mind, this is not 100% sure that your website will be 100% get approval, because some categories does not approve in the Google AdSense. So this is the complete process how you can create an amazing AI blog, and how you can create an amazing automatic lovable blog that you can apply for the AdSense approval and earn money, earn a passive income. I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below any next video you need. Thank you so much. And also comment your city name, that I will ensure that you have watched the complete video. Thank you so much.